Hello guys, this is Aryan, and in this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about Karnataka. Number 1. Karnataka is a state in southwest India. Number 2. Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka. Number 3. Kannada is the official language of Karnataka. Number 4. Karnataka is known for its diverse geography, including hills, plains, and coastline. Number 5. Karnataka is a major producer of coffee in India. Number 6. Karnataka is often referred to as the Garden State or the land of sandalwood. Number 7. Karnataka is a hub for the aerospace and aviation industry. Number 8. The state was part of the Carnatic region in British terminology. Number 9. The state was formed on 1st November 1956. Number 10. Hinduism is a major religion in Karnataka. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.